Namaste. I am here first time to share something with you like the many people are sharing. The more important that what I think that this pandemic time we need the good strategy and good coordination between the science and spiritual power. We need motivate continue to ourselves with right information with good energy. So here I like to share with you the little information and understanding about the energy, like what is our energy and how we can maintain our energy, our immune system with enjoy the music, chanting, thinking, work, and even good discussion with your friends and family. So first I will pray for you and your family, your loved one. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. So now I am coming back on the topic. What are the spiritual, physical, and medical facts related to us? The energy we can classify it into some categories for little bit more understanding. Number one, voice energy or sound energy. Number two, thinking energy or mind energy. Number third is working energy or karma energy. Related to yoga field, people know about above kind of the energies. But in normal way, in classical physics way, I can say the form of mechanical energy, chemical energy, and thermal energy. These kind of the energies are working or I can say processed during the sound energy. After time to time and one by one or sometimes together. So how this energy is affecting on us, on our system? The easy examples of sound energy is noise, music, mantra chanting or singing, discussion, speech. Noise, I think no one likes, so we can discuss the effect of music on us. Music means the systematic order of vibrations, frequencies, and beats. This systematic order of vibrations, frequencies, and beats give us the strength, emotionally stable, positivity, and can the many positive changes in our body. We can see on the graph and the differences between the noise and music. The noise graph is disordered and music graph is ordered. This order we need in our life, in our system, in our thinking. Like this order graph will give us the new inspiration, new hope, new desire, the new and beautiful world. This will work together without any problems and disturbances. For this, now we'll see the explanation and effect. Music, it means the notes and antinodes. Nodes and antinodes means in Hindi, sa re ga ma pa dha ni. In English, A B C D E F G. I don't know. Sorry, yes, I don't know. Maybe there's something I said wrong, but my meaning is the only yes, the nodes and antinodes. Means these words are creating the vibrations, or we can say waves. Waves mean stationary waves, or the the progressive wave. Stationary wave and progressive wave, and yes, the stationary waves means nodes or and antinodes. When we calculate after two simple harmonic waves, the simple harmonic wave equal to a sine omega t normally, but we can write here in this form y equal to a sine omega t minus kx, where a is amplitude of the wave, omega is angular frequency, t is the time, k is the wave vector, x is the distance. So after the calculation of the two simple harmonic waves, the final equation is y equal to 2a cos 2 pi x by lambda sine 2 pi t by t. When we see the different values for this equation, it means when we put the different values of the theta, I mean 2 pi x over lambda and 2 pi t by t. So the result graph is like this: nodes and antinodes. Nodes and antinodes mean the waves or vibrations are meeting at one point or maximum displacement between them. The number of vibrations are in 1 second is frequency. So we can see the example of harmonium, how vibrations are coming after press the keys of harmonium. We can see the harmonium of 3 pairs of keys. The frequencies of A key is around 466 Hertz. B key is around the 493 Hertz. C key is around the 523 Hertz. This can be little bit vary up and down. This picture just I took for example. So now the main point, how these vibrations are affecting us. We can see from the picture the vibrations from musical instrument will reach to our ears through air after the process of air compression and rarefactions. And these vibrations will detected by our brain. But the dance music or maybe some special kind of music give us around same feeling, but in real and deep way. The everyone brain is different trained and different effects on the body. Like someone feels good with pop music, someone with rap or classical or slow music. This region depends on so many things. I will discuss in next video if I will get good response with this video. But some medical and clinical facts because of a range of frequencies adopted by brain and effects on the human system. When we listen beats using headphones, in each ear we receive sound at a slightly different frequency. If left ear receives a 300 Hz tone and right ear 280 Hz tone, the brain will process and absorb a 10 Hz tone. That is a very low frequency sound wave. And one can't actually hear, but we don't need to hear the sound for our brain to be affected by it. So important. These sound waves helpful to sleep and relaxation. How brain waves work? The brain waves are created from the pulses of electrical activity. Our neurons exhibit as they communicate with each other. Our thoughts, feelings, and actions are all expressed through this constant neural communication. So, our brain waves are associated with how we feel and what we can do at any given moment. We will talk about some types of the brain waves and the major 5 types of the brain waves. The gamma, uh, the range of the frequency above the 40 hertz. This is like as a for the high level information processing, binding, physiological correlates. The waves are the fastest and are associated with higher level of consciousness. The second one, beta. When beta brainwave pattern dominate, we are primed to focus and concentrate, to make decisions and think analytically. When we are analyzing an issue at work, we are probably in a beta dominant state. Beta waves are fast with a higher frequency between 50 to 40 hertz. At the higher level of this range, beta waves are associated with anxiety. Alpha. The brain waves pattern are associated with a state of wakeful relaxation, thoughtful times, and the resting time. The frequency range between 9 to 14 hertz. Alpha waves are dominant when we are calm and relaxed, but still alert. Alpha waves are associated with the state of like as a meditation, yoga class, probably puts us in an alpha state, and also with our ability to be creative. The theta. This brainwave pattern is associated with deep relaxation and with some stages of sleep, including the lighter sleep. Deep meditation produces theta waves, which are slower and of lower frequencies between 5 to 8 hertz than alpha waves. These waves produce the behavior of emotions, sentiment, and creativity. This we can see normally with women. Yes, the women are more sensitive than men. The delta waves. The delta waves are slow, low frequency brain waves between the 0.3 to 4 hertz. Finally, yes, less than the 4 hertz. That are the dominant brainwave pattern of deep sleep, dreamless sleep, and deep meditation. Healing and regeneration occur when the brain is in this state. Even we can access the information from our unconscious mind. So I think we need activate the all range of frequencies that we are aware, relax, activate, healthy, helpful, responsible, and live with happy life and good immune system. So enjoy the music, enjoy life. There are so many other methods and tricks to activate and relax to ourselves. So the next time, if you will have more questions related to this topic, then I can discuss and explain about the telecommunication discussion, but without any internet and electronic gadgets. I mean, this is a different kind of the method. We can communicate with the friends and family members and like as in dream. Just communicate with your loved one and feel, match with frequencies. So thank you. Thank you for watching.